That'll be traumatic if we cut a baby.
This is not great risk management.
No. Kids, don't try this at home.
Back up.
Back up, because something.
Back up, everybody. You won't go straight through the. You won't go straight. You won't go through the uterus. Just go on in.
Try to cut it like the gill.
Hard. It's thick and it's inside the uterus too, so you got to go in there.
You know all about uteruses. Maybe you should.
I'm a dermatologist. You don't want me to.
Well, see, then you want to do this. You cut moles off it.
No, I just think if we could.
There.
Oh, there you go. We're about to find out.
Nope. I don't know. What's that? That looks like organs. That doesn't look like any pregnancy stuff.
Well, something's moving. He's right.
I think you cut the, like the middle of the stomach.
You should keep going.
Yeah.
You need to get a medical school.
Yeah.
Dad came down here.
I know. I'm like,
I'm leaving.
oh man, I think that'd be cool if we could get a baby back in the ocean.
Oh gosh. Oh wait! What was in that thing?
I don't think there's a baby in there.
Intestine.
What's that? Is that like a liver or gallbladder? It's like a tire.
Yeah, let's also look at it while we're here.
I hope there aren't like shark to human communicable diseases.
I hope
No.
it's all his fat.
Let's see if it moves again.
There's a,
Just a fish. Wait, is that an egg? Well, at least if you put him out
I don't think there's a baby in there, buddy.
Well, I see something that.
Well, wouldn't there be, like, the baby wouldn't just be in there, it'd be in a sack,
It'd be in
not
a
like
sack.
a placenta?
Yeah, you got.
Could this be it?
Yeah.
Well, gee, you went to med school and I got
Oh
like,
yeah, that might be it.
That might be it.
oh wow, hold on, let me see that.
Oh, look, the baby. Oh gosh.
You're so big.
Water.
Yeah, I'm videotaping.
I'm not scared. The baby probably is not fully developed yet.
Whoa!
There's a baby.
It is a baby.
How do we get it out? The doctor, you want to do this? Come on, you signed up. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of like a Good Samaritan law in Georgia? Come on, you can do this.
I'm with you. I'm morally supporting you.
Well, great.
I'm a
Back up, everybody.
Yeah, back up. Get him back.
Yeah, I
Because
think
if I got to move this knife,
You think it's what?
Under
it looked like it was under everything.
Yeah, I did.
It's under all the.
we got a
If
lot of
it's
consultants and only one surgeon.
Yeah.
You
That's
haven't
right.
noticed
This way you get credit for it all.
Yeah.
that. Well, I'm
Good
not
or
sure-
bad.
I'm not sure I really want to save a shark, to be honest. No, I don't. I got kids.
Yeah, how about that? I don't know.
My father was attacked by a shark.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm very serious.
Well, you should get. This is probably good
You gotta
for feeling.
stab it when it
There
comes
was a
out.
shark about this size.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah, there's something.
Oh, he is in there, y'all.
There are more than one. Back up.
There are.
I think so.
I see a pink thing in there.
You know, I'm about to say, just cut that off.
This is like a C-section.
Let's go on a beach walk.
Yeah.
That sounds so weird.
Oh my gosh, this could be.
Oh my gosh, look at it! Back up, kids. Back up. All kids, back up.
All adults, all idiots that are cutting on a shark back up.
This is science. It is.
I might send this to Coach Smith.
Yeah, he will be so excited.
Yeah.
This
he
is
would
like
love
Uncle
that.
Phil on Duck Dynasty.
Yeah. I'm sure hope there's a baby.
That's it.
That would be it.
Wow!
Don't get bitten though.
Oh my God!
There's more than one. Hold on.
She's so proud of herself.
Let me get it back in the ocean.
Congratulations!
It's a boy.
You're a father.
It might be like a preemie. I don't know if it'll make it.
It's viable. I mean, it's only there. It's pretty big. It's not that
That's
big.
his head. That's his
No,
head
that's the
here.
tail down there.
I thought it was.
Golly!
Let's get him back. Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Oh
shark.
my God!
Oh my gosh!
Look at it!
That's another head. That's two
another
of them
head.
in there. I was about to say
I
there's
think
two
there are
of
like
them.
4 sharks in here.
Yeah, but the only one's moving is right there. I wouldn't even worry
Pour a
about
little water on him.
Let me just.
Try to
I
grab
don't
it in the
want
middle.
it pliable.
You get
Hold
this.
on.
Get
Let me
it.
just cut that whole.
Holy crap!
I cannot believe this is happening.
Well, maybe we roll the shark.
Oh my goodness! That's
Dave.
Oh my God! Daddy, thank you.
That did not just happen. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
You're fine. Let him go. He's okay. You're all right.
Please don't get.
Oh, there's more movement going on.
I'm glad I came down here.
Like this week too.
Okay, that just happened.
That's giant.
Back up. Back up.
I think that was umbilical cord. Did you see it?
Yep. Yeah.
The way will turn him. That way.
There's another
That's
one.
another one.
Yeah.
That one looks good.
Okay, look. Two wild songs.
Hang on.
Yeah, I think that was
Gracie away.
I don't know how that one's
free.
gonna-
Look at all this orange.
Golly, that's all. I don't.
I never thought.
Yeah. Oh, he's still moving.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was nice. Oh, great. It's so small, just like pizza. You can go down.
Beth, no. Beth.
Are there any more?
No.
I'm going back in. Oh.
Is that it?
No, we go in the
That one's your knife.